The Tipperary #1. It's St Patrick's Day, a day where those who discovered they had 5% Irish blood on an ancestry test decide to dress head to toe in green, don a Guinness hat and start preaching to people in Irish bars about the old country. That would be a bit like me flying to Madrid, telling people how to cook tapas, drinking rioja and speaking Duolingo lines to Spanish people who would most likely stare at me like I was on acid. The ingredient lineup: Irish whiskey. This tends to be a lot smoother than Scottish whiskey, but doesn't have the variation in styles which you get with Scotch. A decent standard red Vermouth and Green Chartreuse. This drink is being assembled in a mixing glass, which I've already got some ice in, so don't burn me as a heretic. Let's kick this off, adding 2 ounces, that's 60ml of Irish whiskey to the mixing glass. Follow this up with 1 ounce, that's 30ml of our sweet vermouth. Then add half an ounce, that's 15ml of green chartreuse. And I'm going to aim to stir this for around a minute or until it's chilled. History-wise, this cocktail was thought to have first appeared in Hugo Enslin's 1916 book, Recipes for Mixed Drinks. Harry McElhione respected this drink in the ABC of Mixing Cocktails book. This is the spec which is mostly used today, and name-wise, Tipperary itself is a county in Ireland. Let's strain this into a Nicanora glass, then garnish with a cherry on a pick. The taste test. This is really smooth and silky. It's easy to drink for a whiskey cocktail. The vermouth adds sweetness. The chartreuse brings a herbal complexity which really works well with the other ingredients. It's not overpowering things at all. I really like the specs for this. Everything works well together. Everything's in sync. Everything's in harmony. It's a really nice drink. I'm going to give this 7.1 out of 10.